Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Stopwatch on Windows 10. So if you didn't know, Windows 10 has a pre-built stopwatch that you can use. And today we're going to find out how to locate that and use it. So first of all, you have to go to the start button here. Then you have to go to alarms and clock. So here you can see we have timer, alarm, world clock, and stopwatch. So there we go. You have stopwatch here, and you can start the stopwatch and also stop it, then reset it too. So that's how you can actually locate and use stopwatch on Windows 10. So if you didn't find alarms and clock here, you can also search alarms and clock in the search box, and the app will show here, and you have to click to go to the stopwatch. So that's how you can use stopwatch on Windows 10. So thank you everybody for watching this video, and if you think this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.